We'll guide you through how to open and extract RAR files on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps somebody went and sent you a RAR file with some important documents in, and so you need to be able to go and open it up. I'm in that situation here. I've got a RAR file, and as you can see when I go and double click on it, it says there is no application set to open the document. If you go and press choose application, we can't go and find it. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and open it and get the files out of it. Make sure there's full guide and don't skip anything, as otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So to go and do this, we are going to go and need to get an app. So I'm going to guide you through how you can get it and then how you can go and use it. Without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what we're going to want to do is come to the bottom here, and you want to go and find the App Store like so, and you can then click on it to go and open it up. Alternatively, you can come to the top right and press the search as well. Now, what you need to do is you want to come over to the left and find search at the top. The app I like to use is called Unzip. So this does sound like zip files, but don't worry, we're using it for RAR. So as you can see here it is. And what you can then do is go and click on it to read about it, but we can go and press get over to the right. Go and wait. And now it's going to go and start downloading. You'll need to go and sign into your Apple ID if you aren't already. So let me go and type that in now. After you've entered it, it should then go and download, and I can go and press install like so, and it says done. And shortly it should go and download really quickly, as you can see. So now that we've done that, we can come and close out of the App Store. And what you want to do is then come back to the RAR, and you can go and double click on it. And as you can see, it then goes and opens up in this. At the top, make sure unarchive is selected, and then you can click on the RAR over to the left with two fingers, and you want to go and press export. And you can then choose where you want it. I'll do it on my desktop. And then you're going to go and end up with the folder with the extracted files in. So I can open it up, and here they are. I can then go and access them. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. I look forward to helping you again.